Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Sophia, sales staff from Hanosa factory in Vietnam. Nowadays, us especially women are aware of our desire for beauty. Some of our customers want to enhance their appearance by using human hair extension like tape-in. But few people understand the difference between individual tape and normal tape. So today, let's discover the difference between them with me. Firstly, we will talk about the definition between them. What is a normal tape-in hair extension? Normal tape-in hair extension is a form of hair extension glued with medical grade adhesive. By using the breathable double-sided tape, spread air and adhesive to maintain the extension of the hair. The tape can be reused and cut into small hair extensions by earthwork. What is individual tape in hair extension? Individual tape or injection or similar tape is a kind of tape-in. Similar injection tape in hair extension is produced by injection technology, in which individual hair are injected into the full weft of the tape. Therefore, it does not have short hair at the top, more invisible and similar. As the next, we will talk about the pros and cons of normal tape and individual tape. With normal tape in extension, it is safe for the natural hair because they are attached to it with a tape strand. As the wefts are applied row by row, the natural hair is sandwiched in between them, and results natural or comical streaks or harmonic. However, someone are concerned that attachment will be visible and thus everyone will notice you are wearing extension. It is the only disadvantage of normal tape. With individual tape, it is very simple to use. They are designed to be lightweight, so they will not irritate you even if you wear them all day. This type of tape is ideal for people with thin hair because the tape is translucent by design and blends in well. So combined with normal tape, inject tape is thinner, more invisible, and can better hide in natural hair. However, it is more expensive than normal tape-in. I hope that with all of information I provide will assist you in choosing the type of tape-in that suits your needs. If you find this video interesting and want to know more about us, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.